guys, welcome back to my face. So we're gonna get into what I got for Fabfitfun. It got kind of late. It came kind of late, even though I am an annual member, and also I've been busy this week, the week of Thanksgiving and everything. So I think I got this like about a week ago. So let's get into the products. So I did choose my products and I did get some add-ons. So I got some hot sauce. We'll put that up here. For my husband, I don't have that with me right now. And then I got, let's get into the products that I chose. So as an annual member, you get to choose all your selections. So yeah, so I got this cute necklace. Again, I'll put the brands and everything. I did do spoilers. I always do spoilers. I've been getting Fabfitfun the past 2 seasons, but I did get the summer box as well, but I don't think I did an unboxing. So anyway, and this is not sponsored. I paid for this, blah, blah, blah. So I got this cute necklace. It's really pretty. It's like a 2-layer. And then, oh, this was the box. So they always come with like a Fabfitfun thing, whatever. And then paper and stuff. And then I got, as an add-on too, I needed a new scalp massager, scrubber thingy. Yeah, scalp massager. So I got one of those, like a pink one. It was a couple bucks. So yeah, got a cute, like, I don't know, it's like speckled or whatever. And then I also got these face cleansing exfoliating pads. They're dual bristle, gentle on skin, 100% recyclable, microbial, antimicrobial, vegan, BPA free. And yeah, you can just, I have an electric one, but I thought this would be nice to have like in the shower. Also for like my husband. I don't know how your husband is, but like my husband doesn't really care about his skin. And thankfully he doesn't really break out very much. And yeah, but I got this for him. It says no batteries required. And you don't have to like, I mean, it doesn't really say how often you have to replace them, because since it's a silicone, you can just clean it. So you don't have to keep replacing it, which I try to be as sustainable as I can. This is plastic, but it is recycled plastic. Well, at least the pads are, and comes with 4 of them. So also good for travel. I have one of the brushes, like I said, but it's good for travel. And like I said, my husband. So those, I don't know, a couple bucks. And then I got these hair clips, which are somewhere. My kids, I guess, have been playing with them. One of my daughters was wearing them yesterday. And then I wore 2 on Thanksgiving, but they kept getting stuck in my hair. I have really thick hair and my daughter has thinner hair. I got a lot of it and it kept getting like stuck in my hair, and like also was pulling my hair. So I don't really know if I like those. It says they're creaseless, which I would say they're creaseless, but like, I don't know. It just looks kind of funky. So I don't know. Maybe Ari will just play with those. But those are from Insert Name here. And then I got this perfume, which I'm wearing right now. How is it already? Okay, I'm probably gonna go for this fast, but it has like a marshmallow kind of vanilla scent, but it, hello, what are you doing down here? This is by Rosie Jane. It's in the shade, in the scent Dulce, but it's pretty last packaging. And then I also got these Ana Luisa earrings, which are really cute. Which I've been wanting to try Ana Luisa forever. And I just couldn't, like, I don't know. I don't really buy myself jewelry. I get gifted jewelry. So this is the perfume. And then it's from Kourtney Kardashian Barker and Travis Barker. This is the Lemmy B brand. I got the Lemmy Matcha. They taste so good. And this really looks just like the vitamin. Thank you. They smell kind of like butterscotch. Thank you. And the bottle is, I like how you don't have to like really like think about screwing it on, like it goes on easily. So it's vitamin B12 with matcha and CoQ10. Yeah. So I got a perfume. There's a bunch of different things you could choose from, as well as like makeup, skincare, hair care, those kind of products. I do think it's worth it. It's $59 a month. There's a bunch of codes out there. If you get the annual box, you save a little bit, as well as you can choose all your selections and you can pick faster. And I think you can have the add-on shop is available to you sooner. There's tons of sales all the time. Like there was like a Black Friday sale, and then there's other sales throughout the year. So yeah, I personally do like Fabfitfun a lot. I like the selections. Right now I'm pausing Boston by Ipsy, but I'm still getting scented in PR. I'm kind of like pausing and then like playing, pausing, playing, like. So yeah, I really like Fabfitfun. It is a seasonal, you get it 4 times a year. So I'm excited for what we're gonna get in spring because I like the summer box, I like the fall box, and I really like the winter box. So yeah, enjoy the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you subscribe to Fabfitfun or you just like watching videos. So yeah, stay safe and be healthy and happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.